Welcome UniData EDA customer. UniData support EDA solution against Oracle Server on many different platforms. And this video will explain and demo how you already have UniData file from one system migrate to other system. So if you already see my previous YouTube video, it will explain to how to install it and set it up to against Oracle Server. For this video, only talking about how to migrate one EDA file from one system to the other. First, I'd like to get the review on how EDA Oracle driver work with Oracle Server. This demo, this one is we using EDA Oracle driver on AX Linux or HPUX. You will see on Linux bin folder left a lib ORA-DRV. That's the EDA driver. On Windows will be lib ORA-DRV.dl. That's on Windows UniData bin folder. The Oracle client is very important. They have several different ways. One way you can set up in the configuration called tnsnames.org to connect to which Oracle server or next service you want to connect it. So when UniData started, you're looking for EDA file to find out the EDA file is using Oracle or SQL Server. For this demo, I will show you is connect to Oracle Server. I will use 4 different machines. One is called AX, another for HPUX, Linux, and Windows. I will give you the sample file, sample EDA file. On AX, I call ORA-AX1. On HPUX, called states HP. Linux called states ORA. And Windows called state Win. All the EDA file, basically is copied from a simple states file. So from this file, they will know it's Oracle. So we're using particular Oracle driver. I connect to Oracle client and connect to your Oracle server. So here, just give you example for Linux environment. You need to set up the environment variable to give you a system where is Oracle client. Also need to set up the TMS names.ora. All the system are just set up the same net service called OCOTB, and this one will particularly connect to one Oracle server on Windows machine under the other machine. So basically, they're just using this simple setting. Then after setting, you can run the SQL Plus to test your service name is correct or not. After SQL Plus is working, then you can create the called EDA data source. So from the EDA data source, you can connect to the Oracle server. So if everything is fine for EDA data source, you can use in the EDA schema manager tool to map in your sample file, connect to your Oracle server. After convert it, here just give example sample table on the Oracle server. So the first you will see I will use a couple system to how to move from one system to the other. But if you connect to Oracle server, all the data will sample like this. For this one, I just using the AX1 you will see called ORA AX1. If you use in HP1, you can see select ID name non-conforming flag from a states HP. So it's all different table. But after you convert to Oracle server, basically you can set up the EDA file on the different system, and you can access to the same data. But on UniData, we have one issue when you migrate from EDA file from one system to the others. So they have low bytes, high byte issue. So for example, if you're running on AX machine, the EDA file, you want to migrate to HP, it's fine. But if you move to AX EDA file to Linux, then you will get errors. So this issue we already fixed on the UDT 16AA5. There will be UniData 8243011 version or later. But sometimes if you have no chance to upgrade but you want to use this tool, I already create a zip file, convert all the system, include AX, HPUS, Linux, and Windows in the one zip file. So basically you can download it and put it on the bin folder, and you can using this tool even you still running on UniData 823, 821, it's still working fine. I will demo how to using this tool. Pretty simple. So first, I give you the demo on the AX1. AX1 already I migrate convert called ORA AX1. Uh, the sample file after convert you will get an EDA file called ORA AX1. Is based on a net service called OCOTV. Service net EDA data source all the same. And I also put the couple EDA file from other system. I just transfer other system to demo this function. But when you try to set it up, you might hit some kind. For example, if I got from the state Windows system, you will see try to set it up, and you will see when you try to list state win, you will get this error. But you can use in particular called convdata to do the conversion to get the data to become the right high byte low byte bit uh, the settings. So you will see that my demo pretty easy to understand. This called convdata. Same thing for HPUX. HPUX is same thing. If you migrate from AX, it's fine. But if you from Windows or Linux, you might be got another problem. Next one is I will try to show you the Linux environment. This Linux environment, all the environment setting is almost the same, and just you can look at the conversion convert the states ORA to Oracle server. Also, I already copied the EDA file from other systems like Windows, HPUS, every other different platform. So sometimes you don't need to run the convdata, but for example, for this one, if you try to see the states HP, you will see the error. Then same thing, you can download this tool, convdata, from the link. I will put the link under the my YouTube video. Same thing for Windows. Windows uh, is same thing. It is Windows Linux. You don't need to do anything. Just copy it and set up the work file. Immediately it will work fine. The next will be demo. I will show you one by one to how to make it work. So first, I will demo is AI system. So I will show you. I already have a couple system. So first one is AIS system. So from AIS system, you need to set up the environment variable first. So they're just environment variable and set up the UDT home, UDT bin, and also is the Oracle client or the path. One very important thing is called TMS names. So make sure uh, the TMS name already set up correct, because I already set up one particular called TMS names ORA. So I can take a quick look. So let's the TMS admin TNS names.ora. So this is connect to a particular Oracle server on our system, and all set up the next service name called OCOTB. So after set is correct, you will connect to, you can verify using the SQL Plus. So here's the SQL Plus tool. So here, the SQL Plus tool. So everything is correct. So you can use the SQL Plus. And after SQL Plus is fine, then you need to create the EDA data source. You can use in the EDA schema manager tool to create it, or you can create a basic program like this is generate the EDA data source. I'm using this program on all systems is fine. So after I create it, I will show you how to make it work. So for this for UniData A2, as you can look at the A24 version. It's A24, but actually version is not latest one. So I already convert the particular called ORA-AX1. So if you walk called ORA-AIX1, this one is already Oracle EDA file. So if you list ORA-AIX1, so it's a connect to Oracle server. You can, so if you look at the just the 9 sample data, is connect to Oracle server. So if I already set up the couple different settings, for example, I already have another EDA file from HP system. So this the walk stays ESHP. So it's already converted. So I can this. So it's just the same. It's fine for HP system. But if I want to show you is the Oracle, the state EDA file on Linux one, there will be or states and ORA. Oh, this one already converted. So if I want to using the state wind, oh, you will see this one is not converted. So when I not converted, you will have problems. So I can back to supposedly I can copy original Linux one. So I copy the original Linux one and I list states ORA. So you see the same thing on Windows. So when you do this way, then I like to show you the tool. If I using convdata from the this version. So on this the AX machine, what's the version? I can go to the bin cat So this one is 824.3002, not latest 3011 or later. Immediately you will have this convdata. So this one is come from 302, but actually I already downloaded all the tool from 301, put it in this folder. So what happened, I will show you, is the back to the demo. So if I use an original convdata, convdata stays ORA, this one is come from Linux. So it's say it's not a UniData file. But if I using this tool, convdata AIX, this is come from a 301 and do the same thing for the command. So you say already converted successful. Also need to convert. For the dictionary, it doesn't matter. It's fine. Stays and ORA. It's just okay for two version. Both working fine. Oh, it's already conversion. So I can also run convdata D stays WIN converted for dictionary. So if I run convdata for the EDA file from Windows, so it's not converted, but I can use in this AIX one, says stays. So it's converted. After converted, we see the different list, stays, ORA, so it's fine, and list, stays, and WIN as Windows. Previous I have error, but right now everything is fine. So after you run the convdata, same thing on the HP1. So this one, HP1, I already upgrade to latest one called 3001 version. So even I already have this version called underscore HPUS COMV data. Actually, at least the two version is a complete same the code. I will show you on the HPUX the setting. So on this HPUX setting, I need to set up the environment first. So here the setting to set up the HPUX environment. After I set it up, then I can do run SQL Plus. A little bit slow. Yeah, yeah, it's successful. Just slow on this machine. So I get out, then I connect to UDT home, CD to demo. I start to UDT. So connect here, and original already convert called states HP. So this one is the original convert to Oracle called states HP. So if I already set up something for called ORA AIX1, So if I list ORA AIX1, so it's fine. It's because this one already you don't need to do any conversion. But if I do the same thing for Windows side, if I list ORA, uh, Windows called stays, WIN, so you get the same error. So we need to run the convdata. This machine already convdata already using the latest 3.0.1 version. So it will convert successful. So also need to convert the the dictionary. So convert successful. If it would back to uh, stays, so it's successful. Same thing for Linux. So next one, our demo is the Linux one. So this the Linux one is on Linux 8. This Linux 8, and I need to set up the same thing for Oracle environment. So after this, then I need to already set up all the setup all the same. Basically, I can set up the TMS name. So it's the same setting to the same Oracle server. So this one, if run, is the SQL Plus. So it will work fine. And after this, then I need to test the EDA file, UniData EDA file. So it's in the demo account. So from here, start this the Linux one. So original I already convert called stays ORA. That's the Linux one. Stays. Yeah, that's the back to stays. Called stays ORA. CT block stays ORA. Oh, it's not there. It's fine. I can create. Yeah, it's fine. On the window, if you list the maybe all setting is gone, it's fine. If I have the HP one, so I make sure I have CD block stays HP is there stays HP. So when you got the EDA file from HP, put it on the Linux box, you will get this error. So from this one, I need to run the convdata to convert the low bit high bit issue. So if I run convdata from this system, so stays HP, so it cannot convert it, but it's fine. I can run convdata underscore Linux stays HP. Not found it. Go back to look at the is not there, so I cannot use it. But I do have a file to convert to this system. Maybe I put it on the temp folder. So I don't have tools on this machine for add convert tool called Linux. I can uh, download to. I can using FTP tool. So basically, I already have all tool. So here is on my Windows machine. I have all the tool, all the sample file. So I can FTP. Please, I can put it on the temp folder. Then put conv data Linux. So it's on temp folder. So ls tmp. Oh, tmp. So it's here. So I can copy tmp conv data Linux to here. In the bin folder, I change the permission execute. Oh, change mode +X. Okay. So already here, go back to demo. So can convert data Linux stays HP. So I convert it, convert data Linux D stays HP. After convert it, I can list stays HP. So it's fine. So that's the process. I put the tool on this particular Linux box. It's not latest UniData version. So you can use in this way to run the convdata to convert the EDA file. Same thing for Windows environment. This is my Windows environment. I already have the latest uh, version on this box. So original, I run it stays Win. So this one is a Windows environment. Windows environment little bit different setup. Is only required to set up the Oracle home, and they will find particular TNS file name. So also this one I using a very old Oracle client is 12.2 Oracle client version. So basically, it can do the same thing. For example, I can list, for example, stays HP. So you will get the same kind of error. Uh, if you do this error, and how can you convert it? So I can. So if this, because this machine already installed latest the UniData version, So it's already using the convdata. So it can stays HP. So you can do the conversion. Successful. Convdata D stays HP. Successful. So after I convert successful, then I run the command, you see everything is successful. So hopefully you can enjoy this simple demo to work with the UniData convert tool, and then can easy to migrate from system to the other. Thank you for your watching. See you next time.